In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to change your Facebook cover photo without making a post about it. Sometimes you might want to change your cover photo quietly without notifying all of your friends, so I will show you how to do just that, in a few simple steps. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app, and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. And then tap on your name at the very top. After that, tap on the camera button at the bottom right corner of the current Facebook cover photo. And then tap Upload Photo. What you want to do next is tap and select the photo that you want to be your new cover photo. Tap Done. And then tap Save at the top right to change your cover photo. Now what you want to do next is refresh your profile by dragging it down. After that, you can scroll down and see the post saying that you updated the cover photo. Just tap on these three little dots at the top right of the post. And then tap Hide from Profile. Tap Hide to confirm it. This will hide this post from the timeline, and no one will see it, but you will still have the new cover photo visible on your Facebook profile. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.